Most apartment plants don't die from low light. They die from watering mistakes. Too much. Too often. Too predictable. Today, I'll show you exactly how to water indoor plants correctly, based on light, pot type, and apartment conditions. No fixed schedule. No guessing. Just a system that works. Watering is not about time. It's about dryness level. Forget, water once a week. Instead ask, how dry is the soil right now? Because watering frequency changes based on light intensity, pot size, drainage, and season. Recall video 3, bright light equals faster photosynthesis, more water usage, and faster drying soil. Low light equals slower metabolism and slower drying. The 3 watering methods. Method 1, deep watering. This is the preferred method. Water thoroughly until excess drains from the bottom. Why? It saturates the entire root zone, encourages deep root growth, and flushes salt buildup. Critical condition, the pot must have drainage holes. After watering, empty the saucer within 10 minutes. Method 2, bottom watering for controlled hydration. Place the pot in a shallow tray of water for 15 to 30 minutes. Roots absorb from below. Best for plants prone to overwatering, compact soil, or small pots. But don't leave it sitting for hours. Method 3, partial surface watering. A light splash on the top layer. This creates shallow roots and encourages fungus gnats. Avoid this unless you are correcting a temporary dryness imbalance. How to check soil properly. The finger test is simple and effective. Insert your finger 2 to 3 inches deep. If it feels dry, water. Slightly damp, wait. Wet or cool, do not water. For larger pots, use the wooden chopstick method. Insert it deep. If it comes out clean and dry, it's time to water. Seasonal adjustment. Apartments change seasonally. In winter, less light, slower growth, and lower evaporation. Reduce watering frequency by 25 to 40%. In summer, higher light, more transpiration, and faster drying. Most overwatering happens in winter because people keep summer schedules. Pot and soil impact. A large pot plus a small plant equals soil staying wet too long. Dense soil equals poor airflow and root suffocation. The ideal potting mix is well draining, contains perlite or bark, and allows oxygen exchange. Signs you're overwatering. Yellowing leaves, mushy stems, sour soil smell, fungus gnats, and leaf drop without dryness. Overwatering damage appears slowly. Underwatering symptoms appear fast and recover quickly. That's the key difference. Different plants, different strategies. Succulents and snake plants, let the soil dry completely. Tropical plants like pothose and peace lily, allow the top 1 to 2 inches to dry. Palms, keep evenly moist, but not soggy. Always adjust based on plant origin. The apartment watering framework. Before watering, ask, what is the light level? How big is the pot? Does it have drainage? What season is it? Is the soil actually dry? If you can't answer these, don't water yet. If this structured approach helps you, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Next, we'll break down how to choose the right soil mix. Watering isn't a task. It's observation. In small urban apartments, plants respond quietly. When you shift from schedule to awareness, plants stabilize. And care becomes simple. If this clarified watering for you, leave a like. With this video, you now understand light, placement, and water. That's the survival triangle. This is the Urban Leaf. Growing calm in small spaces.